Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be repotting, and the first thing we're going to need will be hand gloves and then a hand shovel and the pot you want to put the plant in. Obviously you need a plant. Oh, I forgot, we also need composite soil. We need soil, yes. So something's missing, and that's me. Yep. So put on your gloves. Well, if you want to put on your gloves, you can put your gloves on both hands or just use your bare hands. And away we go. So here's our pot, as you can see. Oh wait, hold on, there's a hole at the bottom. Can you see me? Yeah. Okay, sorry, let's get serious. So yeah, that's the pot. Take your hand shovel, get some soil from the bag or wherever your soil is, and put the soil in the new pot. You put the soil just to form a base for the plants that you're bringing into the pot. Put just enough to hold the plant in. So now what I'm doing here is I'm making a hollow. I'm creating space to receive the plant. So what you do now is you massage the plant in the pot. Oh wait, look what we have here. It's a what? It's not a bird, it's not a plane. It's a what? It's a snail. Sorry, yeah, it's a snail. I guess you've been evicted. So yeah, you give the plant a massage, all around the roots so that it can come out easily. I'll try to take it out now and it's not coming out. So yeah, just keep massaging it till you can feel that it would come out easily. So try to take it out gently and it comes out. Yep, that's the old pot. You don't need that anymore. That's what the roots look like. As you can see, it's almost getting saturated. Yeah, that's your plant, and you put it in the pot and you massage it gently into the new soil. I don't think I made the hole wide enough, so I'm gonna try to spread it as wide as possible. Yeah, that's what I'm doing now, and then put the plant back in and get some soil now to just put around the edges that's a bit hollow. Yes, as you can see there, I'm putting around the sides, just around the sides to make it more compact and together. You don't want the plant to be growing on its own and not making contact with the new soil. So you want it to be compact. So put soil around the plant, get it as compact as possible. So you just do that. You massage it in there, give it a good shake. Yep, that's to compartmentalize it. And yeah, take your tools away and get your, sorry about my watering can, but yeah, that's the watering can I have for now. Water it, and you see the hole under the pot will get the excess water out, and there we have it. You can water the plant itself, the leaves, just to keep it fresh and keep it oxidized, if that's a thing. I don't know, I'm just saying why I feel it is. And yeah, so tidy up and take your plant to where you want it to be. There you go. Oh, by the way, this is a rosemary plant, and yeah, the snail we evicted before. Yeah, put it back in the pot. Oh, by the way, snails eat your flowers. Yeah, so if you've got a plant that grows flowers, you might want to keep the snails away. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.